Hello and welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. In this channel I used to come with the tutorials on how to create graphic design, various type of graphics, social media post with the help of the Canva. Now today I am going to discuss how to create a social media graphics or the social media post using the Canva. The Canva is a very handy tool. It is very much useful for those who don't want to use the complicated softwares for the graphic design. The Canva is the best option for them. They want to create some attractive and stunning graphics in the Canva, but they don't know how to get it done with the help of the software. So Canva is the best option for them. Now let us try to design a banner today with the help of the Canva. Now how we'll create a banner? We'll go to create a design and we will choose a custom size. Let us say 1200 height, 1200 width and 1200 pixel height, and create a design. And it will take us to the page where we will be seeing lots of options here, and the templates will be shown to us like this. These are all the templates that we can use it for our design, but we have already have something in our mind. Now let us say we are going to discuss about the design today, a banner for the fitness. Now I have some content here with me, and that is for the logo and some content with which I am going to design a banner of fitness today. Now for designing a banner, first you have to choose a background picture of this one. Let us choose a background picture. So we will go to photos and we will write fitness, and we will search some photos here, and these photos actually which a crown mark on it, these are all the paid photos. You have to pay for them if you want to use them on your designs. So we will be choosing some free photos. Okay, fitness or gym we can search. Okay, we are getting some free photos here. I think this one you can use with a man running on it and the gym background. You will simply scale this photo up and we will reposition it, and we want to use this as a background. Okay, so this on background, you can change the transparency of this by clicking on this icon and simply reduce the transparency so that you can write our content over it. And I am going to insert some pictures later on. Now let us try to put some contents. The contents we are having here, there is a slogan, and this is the company name, slogan, call to action button, and some qualities. So let me put first the logo here. Now logo I am having here. In the logo there is a logo of Gym Hero. I am just simply drag and drop this one. Okay, and resize it like this, and again resize it to the smallest size and put it over the corner. Now I will try use some photos here also. Now let us say this one, I have already removed the background here of this photo which I have collected from the stock photo websites. So I am using this photo and just simply drag it to increase the size of it to up to this much, and it will ultimately show the guideline here when I will be moving this photo like this, and this is actually the center of this page. We can reduce the size a little bit so as to fit our contents, and we will position this like this. Okay, now we will write, I will put some contents here. First we need a slogan, so this I will copy, and here I will increase I will insert a text box here, just a heading here, and paste that content. I will align it and reduce the gap between the two lines. Here line height, let us say up to this one, and okay, and the font I can choose Anton. Let us say I am choosing the Anton font here. Everyone needs a tune up. I want this a tune up in the second line. Okay, that's fine. Everyone needs a tune up, and it is a slogan. And again another connect with us. This is the second call to action button. Control C, and I will let us choose a subheading option here. Control V, Control A, and I will make this in the capital letter, and this icon I will click and make this in the uppercase letter. Connect with us, because I will put it in the form of a size I am reducing. Let us say 20 with the bold, and style I am using font style. Okay, and then I will just simply increase the size a little bit so that I can see it. Okay, connect with us 75, that's fine. And let us change the color of this color, make it white. Okay, and I will simply put a background shape around this. Instead of connect with us, I have simply connect now. I will write connect now. Okay, W now, connect now. Okay, and I will put a shape here around this, and go to elements, then I will search shape. It will show me the shapes here. I am choosing this one, and it will reduce the size a little bit, 50%, and I will reduce the size of it, the box, and drag it, not this one and this one, sorry, and press my text over it. Reduce the box a little bit size by dragging it on the corner here, and I will align this with the top one text here like this, and place this button over it, and I have simply change the box color. Let us say box color I don't want this one, I will put some red here. Okay, connect now, red, black, and this one the white. Size I increasing the size here 25. Okay, now this portion is completed. Now let me put some shapes here to decorate this one, and some contents are left. Actually the key features of the gem and the contact details I will be putting here. The key features, let us first copy this one, Control C, and I will go to this and just press T from my keyboard, and it will pop up a text box. I will Control V, quality gem flooring. These are the qualities we are talking about. It has just this font already entered, and color I am changing this one, and size I am taking 20, let us say 25. Okay, and some shapes inside it where it will be, I will be displaying the key features. So you go to elements here and type shapes again, and I will be choosing some shapes here according to my choice. Let us this can use. Okay, I will simply rotate this one just from the side. I want to put it and display all these things, all the stuffs I want to display them from here. And size I am going to reduce the sizes from dragging from the top. You can do this and this one and like this. Okay, put it from here, make the color red and displaying them over here. quality gem flooding, data size of 20, 4 lines are there, I think 1 2 3 4. Then again the state of the art equipment, Control C, and I will simply copy this one and put this here, and I will change the text here. I can copy this one, Control V, okay, state of the art equipment. Then I can copy, we can simply also copy from the top. I am not getting any copy, okay, Control C. Then after that here Control V, and we will simply change this one to text, cleanliness and the maintenance, the third condition or the third criteria that we want to display. Okay, and Control A, Control V, like this. There is some gap, I think, cleanliness and maintenance. Okay, then after that again Control V, copying, Control C and Control V, the paste, copy content from here. There is a competent and helpful stuff, Control V. So some qualities of our gem that we have listed here, generally simply arrange them together and the nice fashion like this one. Okay, now we can group all these text by clicking on the first one, then the second one, third one, and the fourth one, and the box itself, all these together, and select it with the shift key place and click on group. So whenever we will move them all these together. Okay, that is one of the advantage here. So this part is complete. I will put some shapes here so that to display the contact details, your website and the phone number. So I can go to shapes and see some shapes at the bottom. If I can get some shapes, okay, some shapes are already there, and okay, let me choose this one, the rectangle one, the simplest one, and I will be using at the bottom here. So first I am rotating this one and increasing the size, let us say up to this one, and dragging it at the bottom. Okay, according to my requirement, whatever size I want, I can make it, simply rotate it and put it at the bottom like this. And I can also, you can rotate this one if I don't want this much, okay, up to this much in the corner. Okay, this I think is sufficient. Now I will put again a text box here and copy the phone number, website, and the phone number. Website, okay, first the website here I am copying and paste phone number, then the phone number I have to copy and placing it here, website, and make it 15, smaller one. Okay, and then Control C, then after that Control V, again put some the phone number here, phone number I am copying, Control C, then after that again clicking on this, Control V, this is my phone number. Okay, now let us zoom this part little bit so that you can see. Okay, let us minimize this one, and this is our phone number, which is M15, and then we simply align these two together, and some icons I'll be putting here. So I'm going to elements and then search for phone icon, phone, let us say phone icon. see if I am getting this one, this page 1. Again here also the page and all these things are there. I have to carefully choose which one I am going to use. Let us say this one I can use. Okay, reduce the size. First I have to reduce the size, and the color you can choose. That is one of the best option here. Color you can definitely choose according to our color scheme that we are using. We are using the red, so let me change these two black one, black and the white, or the red. You can choose red one, can choose. Okay, this fine I think, and reduce this size and place it here, the phone number, and again another icon for this one, the website icon. Okay, now this is the pro option. This one is I am reading the WordPress one, so I am not going to use it. I don't want to be specific, actually in more general I am going to use. Let us try the website. I think website will bring the good result. Okay, the first one I am using. Again the black color is selected by default. Reduce the size and place it here. So again we are going to reduce the size here to this much, 19 by 19 it is showing the size, and out of this size I think it was 33, 24. We can also position this to 24, I think 24, 20, okay, 28. Control placing, okay, it is gradually increasing the size, pressing the control, 25. Okay, that is fine. Just simply putting and aligning them, and change the text color if you want. And let us first check how it is looking. Okay, that is looking fine. I think the contact details at the bottom. Now if you want to use some elements here, again further some shapes, so I will search some shapes, abstract shapes, let us say abstract shape, to decoration purpose only, for the decoration purpose. And let us say some free shapes are already showing here. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, that's fine. Some shapes are there. These are the post abstract lines, already giving some options here. Abstract circles, abstract organic shape, and blob, let us say blob. Okay, these are lots of shapes actually you can use here. Let us choose the basic one, this one. Okay, now I am simply changing the color of this. Let us say changing to red one, and pressing it here. Just make the size little big here, and we can rotate this always here like this, and pressing it here. Okay, that is basically a continuation of this thing. And again copying this one, Control C, then going to Control V and placing it somewhere here at the top, or you can choose the different one. Let us choose a different one. This I am choosing. Okay, color I am changing to, let us say some white color. Okay, I am placing it here, and simply rotating it. I will be rotating this one and with this icon we can rotate and placing it here. Okay, let us scale this one, and going to position we want to send it to the back. There's an order backward, send it backward. Again position, send it to backward. Okay, the logo is displayed here. Let us change this color to, okay, let us apply some gradient here. So I am typing gradient, how it is showing. Okay, some gradient shapes are also there. We can choose this shape instead of this one. Simply put this shape at the bottom top corner and position it to the back side, backward, like this, and change the color to this one first and the second color to white. How it is looking like. Flip, let us say horizontal. Okay, like this. Position this one at the top, or rotate this one like this. Some sort of decoration, that's all. So I think with this it is almost complete our banner. This is our slogan, our logo displayed here. Also you can add some social media links here also. That is for the fix. Let us do this one, add some icons like LinkedIn. I am typing, let us say. So icons are there. The free one I am going to choose with the circle. Actually we are using the circle. Let us find some circle. It is free out there, and there or not. Let me see. Actually the square ones are there. Okay, it is not there, so I am going to use the free one like this with here, and simply Twitter recommendations, see all the recommendations like this. Okay, it is saying Pinterest and all, Facebook, Twitter, it is there. Okay, let us this reduce the size again to 29, let us say, and press it here, and just simply copying this one, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, and change the text to your LinkedIn / LinkedIn profile. Okay, and we can change the color here, little bit of contrast between the two, so that gets attracted, less attraction of the people. 15, okay, that's fine. And let us change again the color composition to black and this thing, the black and white. Okay, LinkedIn is there, and again we can search for Twitter. Okay, let us use this one again. Just simply scale this one size. Okay, just use this one and scale this one to whatever size we are using, 29 we are using, and drag it here to the bottom one like this. You have to put some gap here. I think it is 29, 23, 29. Okay, here also I am going to change the color to black and white. Okay, simply Ctrl C, you can Ctrl V. Now this one I am going to change Twitter ID, Twitter profile. So you can write our Twitter profile, whatever Twitter profile you are having. So if I want this image Okay, that is back. Okay, that is fine, everything. And we can do lots of experiments here with this. And this is a nice one. I think it is looking nice. Now tell me if you found this useful, this tutorial, or you can group them also in together with all the icons that I am not doing here. So I am just finishing the tutorial here, and I hope you got a guideline how to design a social media banner from the Canva. And after you finish the design, you can very much download it with your format here, 1200 pixel, download in the PNG format. In the PDF also you can choose, and you can see how it is looking like. Download options here, you can see that there are lots of the PDF standard, also PDF print. SVG format is whatever the crown mark is there, that is a paid one, we cannot use this one. GIF also you can download, you can go for lots of options actually, but if I want to go for the size, we can transparent background. All these are paid options. Okay, now let us open this image and see how it is looking nice or not. Okay, this is a picture that we have designed using Canva. This you can use in our social media post, so to get people know what we are doing actually. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial. If you found this useful, just give a thumbs like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.